Yo, Nick, stop playing Fortnite. We need to work on the project.
Bro, let me push this guy. Dude, what the fuck?
We're going to be baking a delicious cake. Let's gather our tools and ingredients and start baking.
Alright, so first we're gonna preheat our oven to 325, like so. And then we're gonna gather the ingredients that we bought from the store. And then we're gonna mix all the ingredients in a bowl. And then after we finish mixing, we're gonna pour all the ingredients in a pan.
Alright, here are the ingredients. We have 6 tablespoons of flour, and then we have 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then we have a tablespoon of salt, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and then 2 tablespoons of milk, and then 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Where's vanilla? And then we have an egg.
Baking powder is a less concentrated version of baking soda.
We are also going to use bowls, mixers, measuring cups, spoons, and cookware.
Next, mix all the dry ingredients together first, and then proceed to mixing all the wet ingredients. The flour will serve as a structure for the cake.
This can only occur when the proteins in the flour are mixed with milk, which forms gluten. The gluten will give elasticity to the batter, which will help hold the cake together.
Now we're going to pour our mixture into a pan and make sure that it's nicely coated or sprayed with oil.
Baking a cake is an endothermic chemical reaction because the cake absorbs energy from the oven.
Being extra careful, place the mixture into the oven and bake for 15 minutes.
The heat from the oven helps produce bubbles in the cake that makes the cake light and fluffy. The formula for this reaction is Na2CO3 plus H2O, which is equal to NaHCO3. The key to the chemical reaction is the baking pattern, because when it forms, it creates bubbles filled with CO2, which ends up giving the cake its structure.
The heat that the mixture will absorb will also make the proteins from the eggs change and make the cake more firm.
After 15 minutes, the endothermic will be complete, and you will have a nice, handmade, delicious cake. Tastes like cornbread, basically. Doesn't it taste like cornbread?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Alright. What's up, Kaiki? Hey!